my name is Revlyn, and I'm going to show you how to put makeup on. So, this, pick whatever color you want, and then do that. And that's how you put these on. You might not see it. And then next one, do the lip. And this is how you put this on. And then mix it with this. This one is my favorite. And then rub your lips together. And then and put this on. And that's going to be all of it. And bye. I hope you have a wonderful day.